Nancy wheezes in the night air as she sits by the old church door. Folk don't go there anymore. She hears children singing in an alleyway to times past. They went unwashed and were farmed to cruelty. She hears them singing as she wheezes. Those past times are returning at last with their lost tunes. Nancy was a singer. Gigs every night. Every day she sang and earned her way until the plague came. The places where she made music closed their doors. A government funded those it thought useful, would re-elect them when questions were asked. But for Nancy, she was labelled self-employed. So you stand self-reliant at the back of the queue, the very last, drop off to sleep, drop off. Nancy used to have a bed in a warm place, a home sleeper. But as her stream dried, other waters rose and swept her home away. Her place in the world she knew, swept away among strangers, a strange world that came to be, swirling with yachts in foreign ports, their owners in Hello magazine, and eddying currents where the rest were lost and unlooked for, invisible in this surging waves to those owners, the people who find it hard to pass through the narrow places, to pass through the narrow streets where Nancy wheezes. Once, Nancy was a star, top of the bill. Now she's been pushed over the hill. She has no voice now. She in the multitude, she is a crude statistic, an increasing number. No one cares. No one cares for Wheezing Nancy anymore as she waits by the old church door, for which no others come. This here, this now, was voted for. Devotees of democracy, view it now, the clock turned back. Was this the face they saw? Nancy wheezing by the door of the old church, their new heaven, where pound sticks to pound, dollar to dollar, coinage is scarce on the floor, the street. Slim Pickings picks the tunes for Wheezing Nancy. As the collar tightens, when will you join Wheezing Nancy by the door? In silence closed, Wheezing Nancy, still in the night air. Thank you for listening.